this is an ACT problem. It says in the standard XY coordinate plane, what are the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment with endpoints -1, 3, and 2, 5? Again, they are not going to give you the formula, okay? So that's something that before you go take these tests, you might want to memorize. Okay, the midpoint formula, which is what they're asking for, is x plus x divide by 2 and y plus y divide by 2, and that'll give you your midpoint. Okay, so go through and label your points x, y, x, y, and then start plugging them in. So my x's will be -1 and 2, so -1 plus 2 divide by 2, and my y's will be 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 divide by 2. Okay, and then just PEMDAS each separately, and you'll get an answer for x and an answer for y, and that'll be your new coordinate for the midpoint. So PEMDAS, we will PEMDAS the top first. -1 plus 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is a half, or 0.5. So just from that, you know the answer is J. Okay, so if this was the real ACT or SAT, I would circle J now and move on and not figure out the rest of it, because you only have about a minute per question. So you got to save as much time as you can. Okay, but since this is not the real test, I'm going to continue to work. Okay, so I would PEMDAS over here. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So your coordinate would be 1/2 is your x value, 4 is your y value, which is J. If it had been like 3/2 and it could have been H or K, then you would have to keep working. But since 1/2 was the only, J was the only answer with 1/2 in it, then we knew the answer was J just from doing the x's, and we could stop. Again, time management is going to be super important on the ACT and SAT, so any time that you can save and use towards another problem is good.